How to transfer Instagram account from one phone to another. First of all, let's navigate and open the Instagram app on your phone and log into your account if you have not already. Once you are in, let's go to the profile page by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right side. Once the profile page is open, tap on the three lines at the top right side to open the settings and activity menu. Now here, scroll all the way down and you will find the logout option. If you have more than one account, you can tap on logout all accounts. I just want to transfer this account, so tap on logout option and it will ask you to save the username and password. Let's go to the other phone and open the Instagram app. Next, enter your username, phone number or email address associated with your Instagram account. Next, enter your password and tap on login to access your account. Complete two-factor authentication if you have enabled it. Once logged in, you can access your chats, posts, followers and settings on your new phone. And that's it. This is how you can transfer your Instagram account from one phone to another. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.